and I'm going into my senior year of high school. I was born and brought up in America. I was listening to the news, and that's when I became informed of the train tragedy that occurred in Balasore, Odisha in India. With my parents' support, I was able to start a GoFundMe page. I reached out to schools, districts, friends, and family, and raised over $10,000. Hopefully, this money will be able to go and help the people who have been affected deeply by this. I believe a little goes a long way, and hopefully this is a good start to it.